Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to remove the chat background on Instagram step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. Start by opening the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account before continuing. Step 2. Once you're in the app, locate the messages icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open your chat menu. Step 3. In the chat menu, you'll see a list of your contacts. Select the specific chat where you want to remove the background. Step 4. Inside the chat, tap on the profile name at the top of the screen to access the chat settings. Step 5. In the settings menu, look for the theme option and tap on it. Step 6. Scroll through the themes menu and find the default option. Tap on it, then confirm your selection by pressing the Select button. That's it. Your chat background is now reset to the default. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.